I think most valuable assets is actually the team. So I think it's most important things is always like everything is building by team. So I think most invaluable things is our team.
I want to say thank you to the company.
But we're still here, we are still moving on, and we are growing bigger and bigger.
We will have larger and larger team.
We're still younger, so we have more energy to drive us to get better and better.
If the company can keep moving forward, we will have chance to share the success and the prosperity.
It's my honor to grow with next PCB. Happy 20th anniversary.
Spend more time to understand what really want to build and what excites you.
The technologies like AI, right, is evolving very fast. So I'm really looking forward. We are going to another level.
Our spirits of the continuous innovation, or our spirits of the passion to hug our clients and trying to help our clients to solve their problems.
Help innovation to the really and make many more and more good products too easy to make, good to use, and
accelerating global innovation with global supply chain.
20th anniversary. That's crazy. Congratulations and a heartfelt thanks.
Grateful to be part of the journey. Jean Palat.
Happy 20th, next PCB. Strong together, fighting.
We grow from streets to streets and achieve even greater greatness.
Cheers to 20 years of next PCB.
Here's to our past achievements and an even brighter future. Cheers.
Wish next PCB great future.
Wishing next PCB continued success.
Thank you to next PCB.
I wish next PCB better tomorrow.
May the next journey be standing and take us even further.
Next PCB can stay safe, healthy, and growing with customers consistently.
Happy 20th anniversary. Let's build a bright future together.